Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let's take a trip to New Acres in Mandeville, Manchester. Sitting on 12,501 square feet is this 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom family residence with automatic gate and garage for easy access. The master bedroom has full ensuite bathroom and closet space. There is a spacious living and dining area. Lovely built-in kitchen, patio space that offers to making the area a comfortable one for family and friends. This location is highly residential and has beautifully constructed homes all around. This house is close to hospitals, schools, churches, shopping, restaurants, police and gas stations. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 40 million or US $259,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.